Hello everyone, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and welcome to the installation tutorial for the Overbought IO indicator for the MT5 platform. Now this installation tutorial will assume that our Overbought IO indicator was already purchased off of our website. That being said, we will start off this guide from the email that you should expect to receive from us shortly after you do purchase the indicator. Heading over to our email now, you will see there is a download link for your Overbought IO indicator, as well as your sensitive license key. Please write this down or keep this email saved in a location that you will remember in the future, as this license key is necessary for the product to work. If you haven't already, please download the MT5 platform from the link at the bottom of the page, or by going to optimusfutures.com and downloading it directly from our platform page. Once you have written down your license key and downloaded the MT5 platform, you can head over to the download link right in the middle of our email here. Clicking on this download link will bring you to the following page. Once again, your license key is provided here at the bottom, as well as a PDF starter guide, which is your central hub for all Overbought IO indicator information. This starter guide includes terminology, a detailed installation tutorial, and is pretty much a one-stop shop for all information regarding this indicator. And located directly above that is the actual indicator files themselves, so you will need to download these files. The PDF starter guide is a readable file, or you can download the PDF as well. So that being said, let's download the MT5 Overbought IO indicator. Doing so will download a zip file, as you can see here. And within our zip file, we have two more files. We have an indicators file and a template file. So now that we have this downloaded, let's head back over to the platform. The first step, which is absolutely crucial in this process for the indicators to work, is to enable DLL imports. Now to do this, we can head up to the Tools tab at the top of our platform, and then left-click Options. From Options, we can go to Expert Advisors, and you'll need to enable the checkbox right here, Allow DLL Imports. Potentially dangerous, enable only for trusted applications. Now, once this is enabled, press the OK button. Alright, so now that we have enabled DLL imports, we can proceed to place our indicator files into our platform. So to do this, head over to the top left-hand corner of our platform window, click on the File tab, and then click on Open Data folder. This is where we will be placing our indicator files into. And there are specific locations that we need to drag and drop our indicator files. So the first one is going to be under the MQL5 folder right here. Left click on this twice, and then you'll be brought to a new page within the MQL5 folder. From here, left click on indicators twice. And the only file you should see here is examples. Now there are three files that we will be dragging into this folder. So head back over to the zip file that you downloaded from our site. It should be the MT5 Overbought IO zip file. Click on it, and then left click on the indicators folder. Now as you can see, there are three files within the indicators folder. There's momentumshift.ex5, overbought IO.dll, and trend.ex5. You'll simply need to left click and drag to highlight these three files, and then left click, hold, and drag them over to our platform folder over here on the right hand side. And as you can see, the three files were carried over. To repeat this process one more time, we went to our data folder in the top left-hand corner of our platform window. Once that opened up, we double-clicked on MQL5, double-click on indicators, and drag the three files from our zip folder into our indicator section on our platform here on the right-hand side. Now, once you've done so, we can head back on the platform folder. And now back at the main screen here, we'll need to click on MQL5. This time, you'll want to click on Profiles, and then we'll need to click on Templates. You will see a couple files in here. but don't worry, we'll be adding our own. So we'll need to head back to our zip file now, go back, and now you can see we have the templates folder. Under the templates folder, we'll left click, and there'll only be one file that we need to drag over this time. That is trend_momentumshift.tpl. Once again, left click, highlight, and drag over to the right hand side of our screen here. This is the platform files now. And that's pretty much it. So one more time to cover this. Starting off from the main screen of our open data folder, we'll go from MQ05, this time to profiles, then templates, and then we're just dragging our trend momentum shift.tpl file into here. Now, once you have all the necessary files in place, which at this point we have done so, you'll need to restart the MT5 platform. To do this, simply just left click on the X in the top right hand corner of the window. Alright, so we're back and we just restarted our MetaTrader 5 platform, as you should have as well. Now at this point, all of the necessary files have been placed in their appropriate location, and these files have been saved now that we have restarted our MetaTrader 5 platform. So at this point, we'll just need to simply apply our indicator template to the chart of our choice. For time's sakes, I have already opened up a chart. So once you have your own chart open, right click anywhere within the chart window and scroll down to the templates tab within our options menu here. Now under templates, scroll over to the right and then left click on trend momentum shift. And as you can see here, we'll need to enter in license key for the two sections. Now to enter in your license key, we'll need to right click within the chart, but this time click on indicator list. And now as you can see, we have our two fields here. We have trend, which is applied to the top portion of our chart, and momentum shift, which is on the bottom portion. We'll start off with trend, so we'll left click the option here, highlight it, and then click on properties. And as you can see, we'll now have to enter in our license key. As I mentioned before, the license key is crucial to make our product work, and because so, it should be saved in a secure and safe location. It can always be referred to back in the email here, so if you need to, just simply highlight it and then copy, and we'll go back to our section over here, delete the current field, and paste in our license key. Once you have pasted in your license key into the trend input section, we'll press OK. And as you can see, once we put in our license key, it already begins to work in the background here. Now we'll just need to do the same exact thing for our momentum shift section. So we'll highlight momentum shift. Now left click on properties. Left click under the value field under license key and paste in our license key one more time. Press OK. And then we'll close this out. And as you can see, momentum shift is now working. One more thing I would like to add. To avoid from having to do this every single time you load up the platform, it is possible to save this as an overall template. In this template, we'll store your license key information, so you don't have to refer back to this email every single time you'd like to use our indicator or the MetaTrader 5 platform. Now to do this, we'll right click once more on the chart, and this time we'll scroll back down to templates. This time, click on Save Template. And you can name your template whatever you like. You can resave it as Trend Momentum Shift. That way, whenever you'd like to open up Trend Momentum Shift or the Overbought IO indicator, it will be just applied to this default file here. So as you can see, I save it under Trend Momentum Shift and I will replace it. Now, if I close out my chart, open a new one, and apply Trend Momentum Shift, as you can see, our indicator is fully loaded, and that way we don't have to place our license key every single time we like to use a chart. Thanks for watching, and if you do have any further questions, feel free to refer to the PDF starter guide or give us a call or send us an email. We'd love to assist you with the Overbought IO indicator for MetaTrader 5.